Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to reply a specific message in Instagram. First step is open your Instagram app. From your Instagram field, tap on message icon in the upper right corner of your screen to access messages. Open a conversation you want to reply and find the message you wish to reply to. Tap and hold the message until you see 3 action option appear. Then select reply. The message you are responding to will appear above the text. Type in then tap sign.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.